and welcome back to Cantuti Plans. This is Carmen. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. Here in my channel, I show you guys how I functionally and I decoratively plan in my planner for the weeks and for the months. And today I'm going to be planning in my classic dashboard happy planner that I use as my social media planner for the week of May 13th through May 19th. So let's go ahead and get to planning. All right, in this spread, I'm going to be using a variety of Growing Modestly stickers. I believe all of these are available in the shop. If not, there are things that are very similar to these, so you guys may end up finding something you like, but some of these sticker sheets do have stickers missing just because I've used these sticker kits before, but I want to be more purposeful and using what I already have in my sticker stash, so that's why you guys are going to see some missing stickers. But I do have stickers from the Growing Modestly Coffee Enthusiast sticker collection right here with the matching boxes, and then I have stickers from the Growing Modestly Coffee Shop sticker kit, which has some of the functional boxes and a few of the decoratives, not very many, maybe one or two. And then I have stickers from the Growing Modestly Dainty Florals sticker kit, mostly functionals on this one. And then I have part of the Vintage Journaling Pieces #1 sticker sheet from Growing Modestly. I thought these paired pretty with the pinks in the other stickers, plus the pink daisies from Growing Modestly as well. You do see some of the blue ones, but I'm not going to use those. I'm just going to use the pink ones in this spread. And so let's go ahead and see what we can create with all these stickers. Okay, you guys may notice that I already put some washi tape down here. There are some like color blockings that are various colors down the spine here, and sometimes I'll leave them, but today I didn't really want them to be there, so I kind of took them out from there. Let's see, so we're going to start with these pieces here. I'm going to bring this one over to the bottom left here. So we're going to start with that, kind of like a jumping off point. So how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're happy and that you're healthy and that everything is going well for you. All right, this is kind of just out here like that, but that's okay. I don't mind that. And then I'm going to add this pink one because I only have 2 of these journaling stickers, so I think these are, the corners are a perfect way to use them. And I usually white this section out anyway, so instead of doing that, I'm just going to go ahead and use a sticker. Isn't that a great way to kind of do the same thing I was going to do anyways? All right, so let's do that and do this. Okay. All right, gives it a little bit of personality, don't you think? All right, so we're done with these. What else? Okay, let's go in with our functionals. So we've got all these, and I'm gonna leave the deco to the very end. I just thought I'd use those 2 journaling pieces because I kind of had an idea of where I wanted them to go. All right, so we're moving here to the right. We've got this and this. Down. I think I might be doing 2 boxes for every day except the weekend in this spread. We'll see. All right, and then let me see what I have left over here. Okay, so we can do something similar to what I'm looking at here. Let's do this here, and we're going to do something very, very similar on Friday. The colors aren't exactly the same, but they'll go. All right, so we'll do this. I think it's so cool to, you know, pair up stickers from different kits, especially when they're from the same shop, because usually the shop owner does a lot of the same kind of color ways, and then they turn them into something new. I mean, they're just so creative like that. So I love embracing all of that. Okay, so now that I'm looking here, we got browns and blacks, which is also what I'm seeing here. So let me do, I'll leave this here for a minute. I'm gonna dig into these. So we're gonna do brown. Ooh. Did I just not put this down right there? Okay. I think I cut some of the paper off with it. Okay, and then do this as well. All right, so we have brown and black. Let's turn this around again. We got brown and black. Or no, you know what? Let's do the brown and black over here, I think. Yeah, let's do that. Brown and black. Do another black one. Down for Saturday. I'm just gonna do the same amount of boxes. It's gonna work out. Okay, so here we got this one and this one. Bring in the other brown, or you know what? I have this brown. I think it works a little bit better. I think it's the same brown as that one. Oop, and let me cut this part off too. All right, so let's put this one down as well and turn it around. Okay, looks pretty good. So we have a black, I'll move it over here so we know we have it to work with. We have another black, another brown, and then we do have these to work with as well. Okay, this is what we're gonna do, I think. Matching black and brown, matching black and brown, can't work there. Okay, let's see. I got it, 2 pinks here on Thursday. And then the 2 yellows will go on the other day. And then we can do the black and brown down here. Okay, so we'll grab this and we'll grab this and put them down for Wednesday. Okay, 1 and 2. Then we'll do the black and brown down here. Cool, it worked out. And I had just enough boxes to do that. Some days I'll think I'll fill both boxes and some days I won't. That'll be all right. I can maybe put in something for the next week or something. We can work on that. Okay, so we have all the functionals down on the right side. So we're going to see what we can do over here on the left side. We have some of those smaller boxes left that we can use over here. So I think we're gonna do a black and a brown. Let's see, so black, and then we'll do a brown here. And then a pink right here for the tasks. And we're actually going to put in some different words, see what we still have here. So we have to do, maybe I want to get a smaller to do. Yeah, we have a smaller to do here. So we have to do, important. Do I have anything for important? No, but I can do scheduling, could be like looking ahead. So do that for this. Maybe in section, because I do work part-time in social media, I can put a work section for this week. Okay, all right. And then here it says girl with a plan. I do have this, so thinking I can put this quote on the top right. Girl with a plan. So we got girl with a plan. Down in here. plan. Do a little star right in here. Okay, and a little deco, right? Okay, and then maybe do this one right in here to kind of close that in. So, oh, and then we got a little bit of a copy stain that we can use too. All right, here we go. So I'm thinking about where I'm gonna put these little daisies. I know I want to put one there, and then the large one I want to put maybe here. Large one there. Let me see. I'm thinking about putting the coffee cup right in here. I don't know, coffee cup right in here. And then putting some coffee beans on the side of it. Yeah, we'll do these big coffee beans right in here like that. And then we can, ooh, let's do this. We have this coffee. Then we have a bunch of these smaller ones. So let's use these. These will work well to break up the darker colors here. So let's do that. In here. And then over here. All right, and actually I have two more, and they're two different sizes, and I think it would make a really pretty cluster here, or a little design to go from big to small. That would look nice, I think. Yep. Okay, so we're done with this one. Got this deco left, and so I was thinking, since I went here to make it lighter, I can also use the coffee beans to make these a little lighter, or a little darker. Kind of tie everything in together, right? Okay, let me see, and then here, another coffee beans, and then we can add flower, or not flowers, we can add the little hearts. We can do definitely a pink heart, can go right here, and then the yellow heart can go here. And then in the other ones, we can do these brown ones. I think it would be nice. Do another coffee cup. Ooh, almost got rid of that part of the design. Didn't mean to. Okay, let's see, we can still save this one. And looks like we can, so I'm gonna do everything I can to do that without tearing it. Okay, here's that, and then here, there we go. Awesome. Right there. Oh. Okay. Then we can do one here, one over here. Then I have some coffee beans. So a coffee bean here. And another coffee bean down over here. I think I can put this coffee bean down over here. And then maybe a little heart at the top of that. Let's see, right in here. And like that, I used all the stickers in this sheet. Let me see what else I have left. Oh, I do have bullet points left that I can use. So let's alternate the colors, shall we? And it looks like this one is the one that has most of them. So I'm probably gonna go with that one. Okay, so we're just gonna use all three of these colors. I'm gonna wait on the brown. I'm gonna start with the pink. Sorry if you guys can hear cars in the background. I don't know what's going on. Like, I guess people are just kind of coming and going at this time right now. So I'm going to use bullet points all the way down. I did this in one of my previous spreads, and I was very happy that I got to use all these bullet points. And I mentioned that sometimes, you know, when you're working with a spread, and if you don't use the bullet points that come along with that kit, sometimes it's kind of hard to find where else you can use them. And so now, since right at this moment I'm using these kits, I thought, oh, I gotta take advantage of that and use bullet points that come along with them. And the last one, this brown one right here. Ooh. All right, this one right here. And for the work in the schedule section, I'm not sure if I'm gonna put any bullet points down. I guess I could. Let's do that. So, but I'm only gonna put down 4 for each. If I end up needing more, I'll add them, but we'll see. And the black. Got those. I'm gonna get 4 more down for the schedule. Okay. Let's take a look here. And I still have the little quote down here on the left. It says, leave a little sparkle wherever you go. Have that. I do need to punch holes through this before I use it for the week. But I'm also thinking maybe I can add in a little bit more of this washi to kind of have it tie in a little bit. It's kind of what I'm thinking. I don't think I'm gonna add the washi here. I think it looks good just as it is like this, and I'll just go ahead and punch the holes off camera here. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the like, subscribe, and notification button so that you can be notified of my future videos. Thank you so much for your support, and I can't wait to see you guys all in the next one. Bye!